Hello, this is the video for the first practice of the first partial. First, I'm going to explain the prompts. Then I go to execute in the terminal or in the, well, not the terminal, in the interpreter. And some exercise in the in this compiler. Well, for the first exercise, we have the next segment that is type the following statements in the Python interpreter to see what they do. If you type 5, it prints the 5. If you type x equal 5, it stores the 5 in a variable that is x. And if you type x plus 1, it prints the add operation of x plus 1. So it's going to return us 6. Okay, exercise 2. Write a program that uses input to prompt a user for their name and then welcomes them. First, we print exercise 2. Then we use a variable that its name is name. And we use the command that is input. With input, we write a prompt. Then in the console, we write something, and it is stored in this variable that is name. Then we use print. In the prompt, we write welcome, and it's going to print welcome plus the name. It's going to be concatenate. Exercise 3. Write a program to prompt the user for hours and rate per hour to compute gross pay. For first, print exercise 3. We use a variable that is hours, and it's going to be an integer. The prompt is how many hours do you work per week. Then you use a float variable that is rate ph. Then we use gpay, that it's hours multiplied for rate ph. Then we use the method format from print that let us concatenate variables with that even not the same type of variables. And that's it. Exercise 4. Assume that we execute the following assignment statements. Width equals to 17, height equals to 12.0. For each of the following expressions, write the value of the expression and the type of the value of the expression. 1. Width / 2, it's equal to 8, and its variable is an integer. 2. Width divided by 2.0, it's equal to 8.5, and it's a float. 3. Height divided by 3, it's equal to 4.0, and it's a float. 4. 1 plus 2 times 5, it's equal to 11, and it's an integer. For the exercise 5, write a program which prompts the user for a Celsius temperature, convert the temperature to Fahrenheit, and print out the converted temperature. First, we print exercise 5, then we use a float variable that its name is T Celsius, and the prompt is how many degrees in Celsius is it? Then we calculate the Fahrenheit using this T Fahrenheit equal to T Celsius multiplied for 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Then it's going to print the temperature is that format T Fahrenheit. Okay, for the exercise 1, if I write 5, it gives me a 5. If I write x equals to 5, it doesn't show me anything, but if I write x plus 1, it's, it gives me the add operation of x that is 5 plus 1, and it gives me a 6. Exercise 2. What's your name? My name is Carlos. and it prints welcome Carlos. Exercise 3. How many hours do you work per week? I'm going to write 48. What is your rate per hour? Just for show it, I'm going to write 20. Your pay is gonna be 960 pesos. I'm going to write with it equals to 17. Height equals to 12.0. Then first one with it slash slash. No. What the fuck? Dyslexia. Okay. with it slash slash. No. Give us an 8. And then we can do this. With it type. That's int, an integer. Then I can write with it divided by 2. It gives us an 8.5. I recorded the ground window, but type enough with it divided by 2. It's a float. For the third one, I divided by 3. Type float and 1 plus 2 times 5. 11. Type and an integer. And the last exercise, exercise 5. How many degrees in Celsius is it? I guess that it's going to be 32. The temperature is 89.6 Fahrenheit degrees. And that's it. See you later, teacher.